Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you Royal Caribbean credit card review. But first, check a special over in the description. So let's get started. So if you love setting sail and looking to get the absolute most value out of your next cruise, you came at the perfect time because Royal Caribbean just completely reimagined their credit card lineup. Now, partnering with Bank of America, they launched a massive update featuring a new Royal One and Royal One Plus Visa cards. Now, they are actually packed with awesome perks if you enjoy the cruise lifestyle here. So, the absolute coolest thing about these new cards is that they are totally tri-branded. So this means you aren't just locked into one cruise line anymore. You can seamlessly earn and redeem your points across Royal Caribbean, Celebrity Cruise, and Silversea Cruise. Now, if you go with the standard Royal One card, there is a flat $0 annual fee, and it hooks you up with 3 times the points on your cruise vacations. Now, 2 times the points on everyday things like gas, groceries, and EV charging, and 1 point per dollar on everything else. Plus, it gives you priority boarding and a nice $100 anniversary discount if you hit their annual spending goal. Now, if you are a frequent cruiser here who wants to level up your travel plan, the Royal One Plus card is a total powerhouse for a $99 annual fee. Now, it boosts your earnings to a massive 4 times the points on cruise purchase and adds 2 times multiplier on flights, hotels, and dining out. Now, it also treats you like a VIP with priority suite boarding, priority luggage handling, and $120 credit for TSA pre-check or global entry. Now, a $200 anniversary cruise discount, and both cards completely waive foreign transaction fees as well, so making them the ultimate sidekicks to slide into your wallet for international port days. And their welcome bonuses can easily score you $450 to $700 in free onboard credit to spend on specialty dining, Wi-Fi, and shore excursions. Now, just to give you a quick realistic heads up here, now, on the flip side, now these cards are really tailored to dedicated cruisers. Now, if you don't plan on taking a cruise every year or two, the points won't do you much good since they lose their punch if you try to redeem them for anything outside the Royal Caribbean family ecosystem. Now, the ongoing interest rates can also lean on the higher side, so you just want to make sure you're paying off your balance in full each month to keep your cruise rewards purely profitable. Now, ultimately, if you love vacationing out on the open ocean and want an easy way to fund your onboard fun, this new setup is a massive win. Now, the ability to jump between 3 different cruise brands while stacking up free onboard credits and airport perks makes the card incredibly rewarding and absolutely worth having for your next getaway. But that's about it. So for this video, feel free to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.